Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. Strokes are a serious health condition that can have a significant impact on our lives, but the good news is that there are steps we can take to reduce our risk. If you're over the age of 45, it's especially important to pay attention to your diet and make sure that you're eating the right foods to help prevent stroke. Stroke is a leading cause of death and disability worldwide, and it's a condition that can strike anyone at any time. It occurs when the blood supply to the brain is disrupted, either because of a blood clot or a burst blood vessel. This can cause a range of symptoms, including paralysis, difficulty speaking or understanding speech, vision problems, and even death. But while strokes can be devastating, there are steps we can take to reduce our risk. One of the most important of these is maintaining a healthy diet. The foods we eat can have a major impact on our health, and by choosing the right foods, we can help to reduce our risk of stroke and maintain our overall health and well-being. In today's video, we'll be discussing the foods you must eat to prevent stroke after the age of 45. We'll look at the different foods that have been shown to reduce the risk of stroke and why they're so effective. Whether you're looking to improve your health and reduce your risk of stroke, or you're just interested in learning more about nutrition and wellness, this video is for you. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Number 1. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables are a powerful tool in the fight against stroke. Spinach, kale, and other greens are high in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, making them an important addition to your diet if you want to reduce your risk of stroke. Antioxidants protect the body from damage caused by free radicals, which are harmful molecules that can contribute to the development of stroke and other health problems. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals and prevent them from causing harm to the body's cells and tissues. Anti-inflammatory compounds, on the other hand, help to reduce inflammation in the body, which is a key factor in the development of stroke and other health conditions. In addition to their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, leafy green vegetables are also high in vitamins and minerals that are important for overall health. For example, spinach is a good source of vitamin K, which is important for maintaining healthy bones, while kale is high in vitamin A, which is important for eye health. Other greens, like broccoli and collard greens, are high in calcium, which is important for strong bones and teeth. Therefore, incorporating leafy green vegetables into your diet can help to protect against stroke by providing antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and important vitamins and minerals. So make sure to include plenty of greens in your meals to help reduce your risk of stroke and maintain optimal health. Number 2. Berries. Berries are a delicious and nutritious addition to any diet, especially for those looking to reduce their risk of stroke. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are all high in antioxidants and polyphenols, which are compounds that have been shown to have a protective effect against stroke. Antioxidants such as vitamin C and anthocyanins found in berries help to protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. Polyphenols, on the other hand, have anti-inflammatory properties and help to reduce inflammation in the body. Berries are also low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great option for those looking to maintain a healthy weight, which is another important factor in reducing the risk of stroke. In addition, berries are a good source of vitamin K, which is important for maintaining healthy bones and reducing the risk of stroke. So, if you're looking to reduce your risk of stroke, be sure to add berries to your diet. Whether you enjoy them as a snack, in a smoothie, or as a topping for your oatmeal, they are a delicious and nutritious way to protect your health. Number 3. Fish. Fish, particularly oily fish such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel, are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats have been shown to have numerous health benefits, including a lower risk of stroke. Studies have found that omega-3 fatty acids can help to reduce inflammation, which is a contributing factor in the development of stroke and other chronic diseases. Omega-3 fatty acids have also been shown to help improve heart health by lowering blood pressure, reducing the risk of blood clots, and improving blood vessel function. In addition to the benefits for heart health, omega-3 fatty acids have been linked to improved brain health. They have been shown to help improve cognitive function, reduce the risk of depression, and even help to slow down the progression of age-related cognitive decline. To get the most benefits from omega-3 fatty acids, It's recommended to eat at least 2 servings of fish per week, with one serving being at least 3.5 ounces. If you don't eat fish regularly, you can also consider taking a high-quality omega-3 supplement. Just be sure to talk to your doctor first to determine the best option for you. Therefore, adding fish, especially oily fish, to your diet can help to reduce your risk of stroke and improve your overall health. Whether you're looking to improve heart health, cognitive function, or just maintain a healthy and active lifestyle, incorporating fish into your diet is a great place to start. Number 4. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are a fantastic addition to any diet, particularly for those looking to prevent stroke after the age of 45. These foods are high in a variety of nutrients that are essential for good health, including healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Healthy fats are important for maintaining healthy cholesterol levels, which can help to reduce the risk of stroke. Nuts and seeds such as almonds and walnuts are particularly high in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which have been shown to be beneficial for heart health. Additionally, these foods are a good source of protein, which can help to repair and build muscle tissue and maintain a healthy weight. Fiber is also an important component of a healthy diet and can help to lower cholesterol levels, which can reduce the risk of stroke. Flax seeds in particular are an excellent source of fiber, and they contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, which can help to regulate digestion and maintain a healthy gut. In addition to their nutrient content, nuts and seeds have also been linked to a reduced risk of stroke. This is likely due to their combination of healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants, which work together to improve heart health and reduce the risk of stroke. So, whether you're snacking on a handful of almonds, using flax seeds in your smoothies, or incorporating walnuts into your favorite recipes, nuts and seeds are a delicious and nutritious way to help prevent stroke and maintain good health. Number 5. Whole grains. Whole grains play a crucial role in preventing stroke, especially after the age of 45. Whole grains such as whole wheat bread, brown rice, and oatmeal are packed with fiber and other essential nutrients that are important for maintaining overall health. Fiber is one of the key components of whole grains, and it is known for its ability to lower cholesterol levels, which is a major risk factor for stroke. Studies have shown that consuming a diet rich in whole grains can significantly reduce the risk of stroke. Fiber helps to reduce the absorption of cholesterol in the gut, which in turn lowers the levels of cholesterol in the bloodstream. High levels of cholesterol can build up in the blood vessels, leading to a condition known as atherosclerosis, which can increase the risk of stroke. In addition to its cholesterol-lowering properties, fiber is also important for maintaining a healthy weight. Weight gain, particularly around the waist, is a known risk factor for stroke, and fiber can help to control weight by keeping you feeling full and satisfied. This can help to prevent overeating and weight gain, which are both important for reducing the risk of stroke. Whole grains are also a good source of other essential nutrients such as B vitamins, iron, and magnesium, which are important for maintaining overall health and reducing the risk of stroke. By incorporating whole grains into your diet, you can help to reduce your risk of stroke, lower your cholesterol levels, and maintain a healthy and active lifestyle. In addition to these foods, it's also important to limit your intake of unhealthy foods such as processed and fried foods, sugary drinks, and alcohol. Maintaining a healthy diet, in combination with regular physical activity, can greatly reduce your risk of stroke and improve your overall health. So there you have it, the foods you must eat to prevent stroke after the age of 45. By incorporating these foods into your diet and avoiding unhealthy foods, you can help to reduce your risk of stroke and maintain a healthy and active lifestyle. Thanks for watching.